National Freeway No. 1 was opened to traffic in 1978, bringing the cities and communities of northern Taiwan closer together. The industrial activity in the Taipei and Taoyuan areas was a source of severe congestion on the section of Freeway No. 1 between Wugu and Yangmei. Thus, an effective and viable solution to the traffic congestion problem was urgently needed. To address these challenges and alleviate the traffic congestion problems, the Ministry of Transportation and Communications decided to widen the section of National Freeway No. 1 between Wugu and Yangmei. The project commenced in October 2009 and was completed in April 2013. The widening project on this 40 kilometers long section of freeway extends from Wugu in the north to Yangmei in the south, and with 85% of elevated viaducts running alongside the existing lanes of National Freeway No. 1. The construction of the widening section was planned to be built on both sides of the freeway, with the route section passing through 9 townships in the new Taipei City and Taoyuan area. Due to the sheer scale of construction works involved in the widening project, presented unprecedented challenges to the engineers. The project's design presented a number of challenges, including a tight schedule, limited construction space, maintaining the existing traffic, and protecting the environment. There were numerous new and innovative construction methods and techniques adopted in the design to accomplish this tremendous task. The project was divided into 3 design portions: the northern, middle, and southern sections. A flexible and fast-track contracting strategy was employed to expedite the construction works of northern and middle sections. Design and construction works were thus being carried out simultaneously, which thereby shortened the construction period. Also, the area of land that would be needed for the precast factory at the southern section was acquired during the design stage. 3 different construction methods were applied. 1. The steel girder erection method was employed for the northern section. 2. The advanced shoring method was utilized for the middle section. And the precast segmental method was used for the southern section. The widening project was carried out on both sides of National Freeway No. 1, with the construction site located in very close proximity to the busy freeway. The narrow working space became one of the most distinctive features of this project. To ensure the timely completion of works and to reduce the impact of land acquisition to landowners in the construction area, superficies were enacted for a portion of the land needed by this project. During the construction period, a number of innovative, eco-friendly construction methods were employed. For example, bamboo-cut retaining walls were erected in order to minimize the excavation areas. National Freeway No. 1 is northern Taiwan's most important transportation artery. Hence, to avoid interruptions to the existing traffic flow, the contractors were not permitted to use the existing freeway space and work during the night in order not to interrupt the traffic flow. Special bridges were employed to construct the overpasses above the freeway to demonstrate the extraordinary engineering design. The Taishan overpass, created using the cantilever erection method, has a main span length of 216 meters and a maximum beam depth of 9.2 meters. The Taishan Linkou double-deck viaduct was erected using the full-span steel girder erection method along the Dakekang River to avoid disturbance to the geologically sensitive areas. It has a total length of 2,869 meters and a maximum pier height exceeding 40 meters. The Linkou overpass has a main span reaching 216 meters and a maximum girder depth of 9.2 meters. Using the horizontal rotation method for the first time in Taiwan, the Linkou overpass and the Taishan overpass are currently the longest steel box bridges in Taiwan. The Shaoqian Road overpass, designed as a steel truss arch bridge, has already become a landmark. It is the first bridge in Taiwan constructed using the transverse lifting method. The project team now face the next challenge of ensuring the minimum effect of the construction works on the natural environment. A great deal of effort has been devoted to this. Non-disturbance zones were established. Tree relocation and transplantation measures were undertaken. A wetland was created near the airport interchange, and wetland preservation measures were adopted. All of this helped safeguard the natural balance and preserve the habitats and ecosystems along the route. Artificial bat nests were constructed to preserve the bat habitats around the Dakeng River. The Wugu-Yangmei section widening project was completed in less than 4 years, 2 years ahead of schedule. The newly constructed roadways created a much more efficient vehicle distribution on the freeway, allowing an increase to the peak hour vehicular speed from 40 to 90 kilometers per hour. The project achieved an annual carbon emission reduction of 32,500 tons, saving 500 million NT dollars in fuel costs each year. While the original project budget was estimated to be 88.2 billion NT dollars, the actual costs calculated at project completion were 58.4 billion NT dollars. Wugu-Yangmei widening project has gained wide global acclaim and recognition, not only as a true breakthrough in construction engineering. The project received the Public Construction Excellence Award in Civil Engineering field and received the Structural Engineering Award from the Chinese Society of Structural Engineers. The project became the design category winner of the Global Road Achievement Award from the International Road Federation in 2015 and received the Outstanding Engineering Project Award from the Asian Civil Engineering Coordinating Council in 2016. Such extraordinary international recognitions became a great source of pride for Taiwan's engineers, as well as all those who worked on the project. With the completion of the Wugu-Yangmei section widening project, this remarkable feat of construction engineering proves once again that the convenience of the public and the nation's economic prosperity are priorities for which no amount of effort should be spared.